This is a 1980 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster. It's a project bike, not had it running, it's not firing. Got a jump pack on it and put a live wire to the coil, but I don't think we got a spark. Lights come on. Handlebars are broke. Yeah, it turns over. So, interesting little project for somebody. It's got a Michigan re-stamped number on the engine. So it's not an original engine number, but that doesn't matter for registration. It's got the Harley Davidson 1980 VIN number. So, there you go. Let me know if you're interested.